The forecast this weekend, lots of people might be thinking about beach-like weather. KDKA First Alert Meteorologist Ray Petelin's here. And Ray, looks like it's going to be a lot warmer, but it also looks like it comes with a catch.
A little sunny catch at times and a stormy catch at others. And some of the storms this weekend could be strong to severe with some gusty winds attached. So certainly something we'll need to monitor. We're still finishing up today's rain, but what is left over right now is pretty light. We're still waiting on some fog to try to settle in as well. But the last of the showers get out overnight. Early tomorrow morning, we'll see some of that fog settling into spots. And then tomorrow, we'll see some sunshine trying to pop out for the afternoon. With that, we could see a little stray pop-up shower or thunderstorm try to develop. But those will be real small scale, what I like to call a half-hour shower. A little pop-up, it'll get out of here. And there should not be too many of those tomorrow. So overall, most of us are looking at a pretty fine afternoon. Now, Saturday starts off quietly with a little sunshine, but during the afternoon and into the evening, we see some thunderstorms trying to develop, and these are going to come through, and these are the ones that are going to be moving in to an environment or atmospheric ingredients that have the humidity, the winds, the temperatures that could cause them to grow into some stronger type thunderstorms, and those are going to continue to rumble through into the early evening. The actual cold front isn't going to come through until about midnight, and then Sunday comes with some cooler temperatures. But the way it's looking right now, we do have the chance for scattered strong to severe thunderstorms on Saturday. So we're watching this closely as we're already hashed into that mark for that. So Saturday is a possible KDKA First Alert weather day as we are expecting thunderstorms because those ingredients are looking to line up during the heat of the day on Saturday, and that could lead to some strong thunderstorms with some gusty winds attached. Now, overnight, we're looking at pockets of fog, temperatures that are going to stay warm. We're not changing our temperature too much tonight. And tomorrow, highs near 70 degrees, 70 in Pittsburgh, 70 in Beaver, Connellsville, 71. We're looking at those mid to upper 60s along Route 422, so a nice warm stretch there, and then low to mid 60s north of that. But everybody's getting in on these nice warm temperatures, and the trend is for these warmer temperatures to last into Saturday, but that cold front comes in, taking temperatures down on Sunday, but I think Sunday comes back with some sunshine before our temperatures warm up into the middle of next week. Over the next 7 days, just know we're getting close to record territory come Saturday. Even with those storms in the afternoon, we're going to get close to the record high, and our low temperature is probably going to be a record the way things look to be timing out. Our record low is 55. We're looking at a low of 60 for a record, what we would call low high. 53 with rain ending tonight. More fog on the way in the next 7 days. Most of them are warm. And with that said, we do have a few chances of showers and thunderstorms early next week with some sunshine and cooler temperatures about a week from now.